Hi guys, this is Mrs. Clanton, and what we are about ready to do is we are going to do your reading group with Mrs. Clanton. So if you remember back before spring break, we did some segment, right, where we tapped out some words and we also did some old word, new words. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to grab a pencil and a piece of paper, or maybe you have like a dry erase board and a dry erase marker. But if you don't have that, you can do it with a pencil and a piece of paper, okay? And I'm going to pause just for a second so that you can go get that stuff if you don't have it ready. All right, here we go. Our first word that we're going to talk about today is the word mop. Everybody say that word, mop. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to get your fingers out and I want you to get ready to tap it out with me. Here we go. Ready? Ah, p. Okay, now I want you to say those sounds while Mrs. Clanton builds it. But if you have alphabet tiles with you, you can even build it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Ah, which is our vowel. P. All right, now get ready to point and say with Mrs. Clanton. Here we go. Ready? Ah. Okay, here we go. You're going to write it now. Ah. What word? Mop. Very good. All right, here we go. Let's get ready for our next word. Our next word is jog. Everybody say that word, jog. Like sometimes you can go on a jog instead of a run. Here we go. Let's tap that out. Here we go. J-og. One more time. Ready? J-og. I'm going to build it and you're going to say those sounds. Here we go. Ready? J-og. Okay. I'm going to point and say, and you're going to say them with me. Here we go. Ready? J-og. All right, now everybody's going to write it. Here we go. Ready? J-og. Very good. Jog. Do you see how close my letters are in a word? Okay, because remember, we just want spaghetti spaces. We don't want finger spaces or it's not going to look like a word. All right, here we go. Let's get ready. Our next word is top. Like I put on a top this morning. Here we go. Ready? T-ah. One more time. Ready? T-ah. Okay, say those sounds with me and then you're going to build it. Ready? T-ah. And now let's point and say. Here we go. Ready? T-ah. Okay, let's get our pencils. We're going to stretch and write. Here we go. Ready? T-ah. My word is top. How many sounds does the word top have in it? 3. Good job. Here we go. All right, Mrs. Clanton is going to really try to trick you up, okay? So I want you to listen to this word, okay? My word is smog. Everybody say that word. Smog. Say it slow. Smog. Do you see how I'm bubblegum stretching it? Do that one more time. Ready? Smog. Okay, now let's tap that out. Here we go. Ready? Og. All right, say those sounds with Mrs. Clanton and while she builds it. Here we go. Og. Ooh, look at that. We have 4 sounds in our word. Let's point and say. Here we go. Ready? Og. Now let's write. You are writing the word smog. Here we go. Ready? Og. Smog. Good job. All right, here we go. Let's do one more 4-sound word, okay? I think you can do it. Here we go. My word is slug. Slug. Everybody bubblegum stretch it out. Here we go. Ready? Slug. Now let's tap it out. Here we go. Ready? Slug. How many sounds did we use? 4. Here we go. Say those as I build it. S, ul, ug. All right, now let's point and say. Here we go. Ready? S, ul, ug. All right, now let's write it. Here we go. Ready? S, ul, ug. Now, once again, look how close my letters are. They're not far apart like this. Down here, they're close together because we're writing the word. All right, go ahead and put those tiles back and get ready. All right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do old word, new word. So if you remember this is where Mrs. Clanton would tell you a word, and then I'm going to ask you to change it, okay? And Mrs. Clanton is going to do it as if you were writing, because I'm assuming that a lot of you don't have alphabet tiles at home, okay? So here we go. Are you ready? The word that I want you to write is the word bit. Here we go. Ready? It. Bit. Ready? It. So my word and your word is bit. I now want this word to say bat. So let's figure out what sound do I need to change to make that word say bat. Here we go. Ready? Ah. Does that make sense? Nope. So what we're going to do, and you can erase it too, you're going to erase it. What sound should go there? You're right. Ah. So now I have the word at. What word? Bat. Very good. All right, here we go. Ready? This word says bat. I now want it to say fat. Fat. Ooh, that doesn't make sense. Let's go ahead and change it. At. Very good. Okay, so that word says fat. I now want it to say fit. Fit. Here we go. Ready? It. Ooh, I don't think that vowel sounded right, so let's change that out. Here we go. It. All right. My word says fit. I now want it to say fin. Here we go. Ready? In. Ooh, that last sound doesn't make sense. Let's go ahead and change it so that it makes sense. In. Fin. Very good. All right. Here in just a second, Mrs. Clanton is going to put up a word list on the screen. Okay, and once I put the word list up, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and I want you to practice reading those words, okay? And I'm going to remind you how we read those words, okay? Hold on just 1 second, okay? So if you see on your screen right here, Mrs. Clanton has given you a word list, okay? So what I want you to do is here in just a second, you're going to pause the video and then you are going to sound these words out and push them back together, okay? Now, some of them are going to be nonsense words, so that means that they're just going to be silly words, but I want you to practice on blending them back together. Here we go. I'm going to actually do this one for you just so that you can see, remember how we do it, okay? And remember, we always do the vowel to the end and then start again. All right, here we go. Ready? Ip, ip, nip. I'm going to do one more for you, okay? Here we go. Ready? An, van. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to really quickly pause this video and I want you to read all of these words up here. Great job. So you probably just got done reading your words and that's awesome. So now what I want you to do is if throughout the week you have some extra time, I want you to come back to this word list and I want you to keep practicing sounding them out so that they come really quickly to you, okay? And then next week, we're going to keep working with some words and we're going to try to get to those 4 sound words instead of just those 3, okay? Keep up the great work.